Have you ever wondered how a tiny creature like a bee can exhibit such impressive leadership skills and unity in their work? It's a fascinating world, buzzing with lessons for us all. In the world of bees, there's a remarkable hierarchy, a system that ensures their survival and prosperity. At the top of this structure sits the queen bee, the heart and soul of the colony. She's the mother of all bees within the hive, laying up to 2,000 eggs per day. Her purpose? To keep the colony vibrant and growing. Beneath the queen, the worker bees tirelessly operate. These are the female bees that do not reproduce but play a vital role in the hive's everyday life. From gathering nectar, making honey, cleaning the hive to feeding the young ones, their responsibilities are many and varied. Then there are the drones, the male bees, who have a singular purpose, to mate with the queen. They live a brief life, but their role is crucial for the continued existence of the colony. The unity in a beehive is a thing of beauty. Each bee, regardless of its role, works for the benefit of the entire colony. There isn't an iota of selfishness or individualism. It's all about the collective, the greater good. Every bee knows its job and performs it with an efficiency that is nothing short of awe-inspiring. The queen leads, not by issuing orders, but by exuding pheromones that guide the behavior of the entire colony. It's a subtle yet powerful form of leadership where the followers are not just obedient, but are truly aligned with the leader's purpose. The worker bees, on the other hand, demonstrate the power of teamwork and dedication. They show that every role, no matter how small, has a part to play in the grand scheme of things. They teach us that unity is not about doing the same thing, but about working together towards the same goal. The drones, despite their short lifespan, remind us that every member has a unique and important role to play. They might not be the most visible members of the hierarchy, but without them, the future of the colony would be in jeopardy. So what are the key points we can take away from the leadership and unity work of bees? First, leadership is not about commanding, but about guiding and inspiring. It's about creating an environment where every member feels aligned with the collective purpose. Second, unity is not about uniformity, but about harmony. It's about different members playing different roles, all working together towards a common goal. And finally, every role matters. Every member, no matter how small or insignificant they might seem, has a contribution to make. It's the collective effort that makes the difference, that ensures the survival and prosperity of the group. As you go about your day, take a moment to think about the bees. Consider their hierarchy, their unity, and the lessons they offer. Who knows, you might just find a nugget of wisdom in the buzzing of a bee.